Samsung smashed it out of the park with the new Galaxy Z Flip 7. With its largest ever full flex window and smallest bezels at just 1.25mm, largest internal screen seen in a flip, it's thinner than ever, waterproof, has the largest battery ever seen in a flip, and now, with DeX built in, it's a no-brainer, right? But which color should you buy? Don't worry, my friends, that's where I come in. Coming up in this video, you will get to see which Flip 7 or Flip 7 FE color is right for you. Somebody hit my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and today I will be showing you the different colors of the Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. You heard me right, there is a FE version of Samsung's new Flip 7. I was lucky enough to check out the new Fold 7, the Galaxy Watches 8 and 8 Classic, and the Titanium Blue Watch Ultra also. So if you're thinking of ordering the new Flip 7, this is the video to watch. There are 4 variants available of the Flip 7: Blue Shadow, Jet Black, Coral Red, and the online exclusive Mint. The Flip 7 FE comes in 2 colors, white and black. No online exclusive for this model at the time of making this video. So let's get into it. First off, let's tackle the Galaxy Z Flip 7 handsets. The most subtle and underrated option, the Jet Black. In my honest opinion, I like this option because in person it looks so much better than on camera. The glass finish is very similar to the previous Phantom Black Samsung devices. The back has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to a smoky grey, which never looks like a deep jet black though. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then when you shift the device, the smudges appear at various angles. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screens and the back panel has a matte, very dark grey finish and is finished in a way which looks very classy and sleek, with the antenna bands in a darker grey. The Jet Black is a colour option for anyone whose inner ninja wants a stealth look. It reminds me of the B2 Spirit. If you don't know what that is, Google it. The next colour option is the Blue Shadow. The glass panel is matte and looks very much like a navy blue, similar to last year's Fold 6. Obviously, being matte, you would assume it wouldn't show fingerprints, and guess what? You would be right. The blue color has a very flat, uniform finish to it, almost like the ocean without that shine. The frame also has a matte finish, and the metal rails match the back panel perfectly with slightly darker colored antenna lines. Samsung has done well to get the exact color match on 2 different materials, giving this choice a perfect unity to the overall aesthetics. I would say this option is for anyone who's in a Jacques Cousteau, wants something rich but subtle without going with the black. I just wanted to pause the video for a second and ask you for a favor. If you're enjoying the video so far, would you be kind enough to please consider hitting that subscribe button, like the video and share it, because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and you won't miss out my videos about the new watches and the new Fold 7. Thank you for your patience, and now back to the video. The third color option for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the new Coral Red. Spoiler alert, this one is my favorite. The matte back panel looks like it falls somewhere between red and pink, but closer to the pink side. It is just like the red coral you would find in the Mediterranean Sea. Depending on how you tilt the Flip 7 and the light source, it sometimes looks darker and other times close to pink. Again, like the other colors, this has a matte finished metal frame which has a slight satin-like shine to it. I would say it is the colorway that looks the freshest and most unusual. It really does add that finishing touch to the overall color of the phone by giving a real summer vibe. Definitely a different option compared to previous Galaxy Flip devices, and worthy of your consideration if you're looking for something different, fresh, colorful, and bold. Personally, this is my favorite color. Let's take a look at both the white and black Flip 7 FE now. The FE looks like last year's Flip 6, so has a different look to the Flip 7. It is a more budget-friendly device for anyone who doesn't want to take out a second mortgage. Both the black and the white devices have very shiny glossy back panels, which really do look premium. But to hide fingerprints, go with the white version so you aren't constantly pulling out that microfiber. They both have matte frames with wider antenna lines than the Flip 7, which I just happened to notice when they were side by side. The black FE frame looks to be the exact same color as a deep black Flip 7 frame, and the white version has the natural silver finish with white antenna bands. Not gonna lie, that white looks so fresh and clean. Both are a great option for anyone who wants that classic look. Unfortunately, the Mint Online exclusive Flip 7 was not available to check out in person, but it will probably be a more pastel mint from past experience. So there you have it, the current color options available for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 series. If you're looking to pick up any of these color variants, then use my link in the description below to help me out and make your life easier. I have also made a video of the Fold 7 color choices, which total 4 options, so check that video out too if the Fold is more your thing. So which is your favorite color and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favorite is the coral red because of that bright bold finish on the glass back and its summer vibes. I would also love to rock the blue shadow with the titanium blue Watch Ultra for that deliberate matching flex. I will be making loads more videos about the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 series and the Galaxy Watch Ultra in titanium blue, including accessories, screen protectors, cases and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up and share this video on your social media including Samsung groups and forums. Until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.